Matter whether say who are limited leave to remain or who are settlement.
Okay. July, then a woman we na yen twag meeting so.
Yo, me da say DJ Valentine and a biomo so a tier for near for your chairman. Your legal issues, you're discussing on hot digital radio, no, a fina a drew so. Na last week, you started a bina yen to me and ye request by say any repeated and as a continuation of the program. But before then, no, na the air call abetoja this week, say na ya mekano immigration year area be a year home tier and I say. Your community no hona your interest e wo ho more inti ya now we try say bibi e beto dwa bia in the course of the week no ye de beto dwa. Okay, yo there omode ba no I think say it falls on somewhere 29th of June and then 2 or 3 days a year or more update bia or by in terms of visa decision waiting times, application outside the UK and then as for until we always try to update our listeners, our clients, send a nyoma AC call our home office. Okay. So say the corner asylum then I call from Kakra to the extent say yeah the DJ Valentine because say the tabo be at home office. Yes. Inti ama asylum no munti me emfa Rwanda inti stella na e kasa no plane it asusi inti komo de omuko even the home office inti eno so ya dia ye monitor inti yan hwe sa waiting time no ene baby start ne time obetimi account say my application this year was say make a decision home office amenya inti asiese say we visit visa oh yes application now first now nanka within 3 weeks you know on sabeka decision. Okay, but say bibia ni a ya the Ukraine for your excuse I say they want bone of contention inti omo situation no override every application bia say inti say no nanka 3 weeks for visa na say cost 6 weeks. Okay, inti I say we train na 6 weeks in started free tama ubeko visa application center ho eba ko ye submission what take biometric fingerprint no wa submit your passport ho na obetimi account 6 weeks in a free. Okay, inti yanhwe say why spousal visa free say yemfa Ghana de no nya example TLS contact center ho into what bookie appointment uko submit o documents the tiani say uko na omoje o documents say wa nye no say scan one on your own na uko no mo scan bibia no moje no mo send ade no home officer first na nanka 12 weeks and abenya decision but say a court 24 weeks all because 24 madobon all because of enye permanent because them bia you buso omo say dey way e be permanent and enye permanent into omo say you should get a decision within 24 weeks once you attended your appointment at the visa application center. Okay, and omo say say if you are applying on a dependent and that kind of, you will get your decision at the same time but there are omo can say dey way no enye permanent on the basis ni say because of the Ukraine war no any application mo ye ma o mo no say Neoma Brasia they can reverse back to almost 12 weeks decision no and no na me pese ye share so because at times they do interim some sort of because the reason why amudi we ni buy ni say ye the pressure eto omo so. Okay, e ya na e church omo letters e ya na e push omo ye make complaint until they realize that they need to come out with something to let people know say at least omo ye omo bo mo homodin but nyoma bi nti e no mo ntimi enye de say omo ye no but all the same no as lawyers no to help the community no yen give up we will still pushing till say you benya decision and as you benya bibi ebe satisfy your client no why intina de wo ho enne de me pese metu editu dwa ne nasefo no but you share in country one application decision making time na and also wo so far almost 11 months but yen as a lawyer study kakra ya no research kakra ya no we always advise say no 11 months no wona okwakoye sa application no mostly say sika kakra wo ho a fa koye super priority no and priority services no extra 800 na send be ya decision be ba within 5 working days rather than say obe train for 11 months no ewa
800
oh
we fast
now with the akwakoye unsa be ka decision but man for so ka say now what about lawyer ye na your application akodemu dada na afen omo de sa we na ba no fine omo cost for account but with 3 year e be bantem e be mantem
still no the of your choice ne say who scanner kotua
yes but e be o ha na wonnim say you decide decision we na buy na we di kan application
okay
yes
okay
na aka so ko withdraw no asa akoya utanya wakoye overstay
okay ntano so ya
yes the only thing is let's keep pushing by writing to them no mu hu say ye ni abre na say obeko wo MP ho na wo MP so push ya say so mo hu say MP fo ni push e du be bi kro mo fi omo
so ma abre
yes in some there but yeah bonfire say nyoma besisa na aba back to say na ye hwe ni mu no why
all right
the update wo ho no
Francis Bosompem na otin kan wa my update good sometimes I say to me nya update ne nyama ekoso because most of us are not privy to the ekoso nyama bebre wa ye nim ne ekoso say lawyer mba no am my counseling kakra no am my thoughts kakra who the conti very very important but say them can tell me how lawyer make sure say consultation fee no paramount because the tradition goes on. You cannot avoid comprehending the tradition. When you do that sacrilege into your best ubia lawyer no do the needful now only lawyer didn't come also book an appointment with lawyer Francis Bosompem and Wise Smart solicitors very very important because na onto me emfa won share ne diary ni mu na che say wo tu kwa say itinerary na wo ka ho to kwa oni lawyer onim say Tuesday 2 o'clock SM ko share lawyer so that one will be more prominent but they say impofri man wa lawyer me wo wechi o eno so mesre I know that sometimes time constraint una so ye be so time no e bia na won to me engage but try as much as possible to streamline how to be able to gauge yourself to know the time and in between time. I'll be to make lawyer Francis Bosompem. All right. Last week you came about whether say a partner or a parent granted permission to stay after qualifying period of 10 years. Apply for settlement. You can apply for settlement in the UK. Intimini lawyer Esha say about what are the immigration rules on this application. The lawyer answer the immigration rules on this application now.
Yo, Nana Ajima Busa say or say your contact number and the office location. Yo, Mate.
Who can first one we are maba.
Now sorry, but question
we care about the immigration rules on this application for assessing whether a parent or a partner.
Yo, last week for the benefit of for more NTA, last week, you started topic be your friend or Appendix settlement family life. And only a new immigration rules are created on its own. Because you show my old old immigration rules, now you're a combination of family life, private life together. Your friend or Appendix FM.
Appendix FM.
but say omo achichemu from 20th of June 2022 kono.
Okay.
Omo achemu ba ko ye appendix settlement family life. No ye ene de ba be ka ho asem.
Okay.
Ena ba ko nso ye appendix private life. Private life no say omo yi free or private life a wodi ti krom ha no mo to the extent say for how long what na krom ha in kolano say eno na ye ka say private life no mama mu ago in terms of in kolano owo akola wo krom ha na akola tena ha for 5 years ubetumi agi bibi efe no settlement ama akola no.
Okay.
First na 7 years. 7 years no akola no be born the thought 2.5 sa the private life 4 times and sana wenya settlement.
Okay.
But private life na omo adi abana atene hu say no akola no utimi chese akola no ya won wa ha wadi 5 years wa ha no ma straight ubetumi a make indefinite leave to remain amano and na say settlement amano. Na mo awofo na mo nibi no mo betumi agina akola ne so e de agina age de SMOJ ene biomu so no say won pese obeji settlement na pese kakra akola ne ko di 10 years no so no obetumi aye application bi a your friend registration as a British citizen. No about bekuta British asetena ewo krom ha unya no aye passport e de aka ho amano. Yo yembra de ne ye hwe so na ye beka ho asem appendix settlement family life no ye bobo so last week ni say o say route we ni ye person omo ayama omo permission omo ntina krom ha as a partner or parent under appendix FM na me ka ho asem and who is eligible to settle in the UK after a qualifying period of 10 years. Into you breaking it down first now under appendix FM
long residence.
Yes. Say we a parent, we a partner. Na emfa partner there no. Partner they will and I say wawari every fear and waba bibinti went to me and meet all the requirements for the say you do over to 5-year route no ebia ba kutosin nti ye de what to 10-year route as a partner te no and na ye beka ho asem no and a parent no so no wawo British akola owo ye obano ne papa ya British nti British ya je British book ama akola no and na say akola na settle wo krom ha no mo no say no no parent no betimi agina so wa wuni bi no on the basis say akola no nti na wo je sa setina no nti no so no 2.5 sa 10-year route.
That's 4 times.
Yes. Nti no na o ma year si nchen o ma friend no appendix settlement family life.
But your separation abem.
Yes. Omo chichemu but the omo ye no e good to the extent say e ma ye hu emra na ni so intentem.
First one na combined.
That's it.
Yes na nitty-gritty no hu.
Yes.
On the womb.
Say complaint ni ye kono ni na se for no. Omo say yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Intina the reason why omo breaking it down ni we nyina no ne say they want the immigration rules to look simpler.
Okay.
Just straightforward. Say na be ya even ordinary person fa no kan ya obehu. But and a big but a lawyer asem. Inti na there wo ho no no. Inti the rules
lawyers in there more technicalities.
Yes.
Yeah. No pocket lawyers ni there.
Yeah.
Yeah, ikonu hwi.
Inti no so na mama wa she say o case because home officer case worker no sha. Optimistic who say we enye lawyer na ye because a lawyer na ye wonim ye brofo no ne nyoma ye di hihye and I say wo individual no na ye na no so timi hu
okay
how a obeye ebi wo individual no be stretch wa ma o case no for webra
we have no jurisprudence mo abako say technicalities
and
I was what terminologies
that's it
onya lawyer untumi hu na wa wako ye no mo hu say we individual bi na e tro
yes
e wono sa no penalize wono
okay into shema question abusa immigration rules no debe mrabe ne bo eno ne a new appendix na aba na omo friend no appendix settlement family life ten the bohu ban why yes
and the lawyer Francis Bosumpem ena me ne wa hai enche na lawyer ba ko ha nsusu mebisa no bibi kakra na ono nsusu eyi ano senior ye ko enim na enim se lawyer Francis Bosumpem ne wise smart solicitors omo ewo 8 to 9 the print house ewo 18 to 22 Ashwin Street Daunting London Echo 8 3 Delta Limbo that just say and you E8 3DL office number no here 0208 016 5384 0208 016 5384 and I also say 079 4677 2439 079 4677 2439 no a wise smart solicitors a woman which me afre na family life and you bet me so e de wo so adwen kira ba na bibini a ukohu lawyer na ge say rules foforo na aba no eno e appendix settlement family life eno na lawyer e ka ho asem na ge say 10-year route and as a long residence in the UK e kwan a obefa so nya nkrata e okrom ha no eno na lawyer e de ye e ko adesuamu ewie ti se wutie ya also betumi join in live on Facebook and YouTube, a Hot Digital Online Facebook and YouTube and a Hot Digital Online and other social network no betumi join in live for say lawyer Francis Bosumpem number no yakane na anti bedamase. Yan share the next topic the suitability requirement for settlement as a partner and a parent based on qualifying period of 10 years. And the lawyer, no.
Yo, no, I think since last week, yeah, but still, debate to me
because as a program, no, and no, here title pa because of Obiatrimuana 10 years no cry apart from so be to exceed 10 years. Why is us in now? But quite of a fast one, obey any yamano.
Yeah.
Me person ombehu.
Yo, Mate, me da si DJ Valentine.
Okay.
Ushema first thing, meka suitability requirement, meka ne se usu ene wo buy.
That's right.
The enti meka sa ne se obetina krumha na criminal convention. And I say criminal offenses. Then last 2 weeks bobo so no.
Okay.
The severity of the offense, you know, and they be determined say home office yen deport you and I say me and deport you and now say because we your offense say within 12 months now yeah na enshada enho di papa.
Okay.
But from 12 months to from 1 year to 4 years and 4 years and above, you know, and no ayana sentences, you know, to me the deportation or the crowd also. But in the sort of family life, private life, I wanna a bit to me. Ama say omo the whole
exceptions.
Yes. I was so consider private life, family life in and only one thing, criminal convention. And the other one say you entered into a sham marriage. No, so another thing almost share in terms of that's it for the benefit of immigration purposes. No, and your friend is sham marriage. Okay. And they been so one more information. And I say with the false document or information or deception. And also another thing almost share.
Okay.
Because almost check it. You was na one disclose na check it. No who say and then maybe we they can use against you. And no need be a friend of deception.
Okay.
And they be also what they call NHS. NHS no say first na ebia wa betwiti NHS na we need krata. And I can borrow 500 plus. So you're below 500, there are na any problem.
Debt owed to NHS.
That's it.
Unsettled.
Yes. Inti 500 above no. I no more use. Inti what they always say is say be a winnima. They give you opportunity. They very fail to NHS trust no. Say ye ma invoice.
Okay.
Inti invoice no. And I bet you say ubetua na untia. And then say we say utua sika ni nyina obi wo ha wa set direct debit every month want me £20 every month want me £100
okay
no dey atua wi and no say no home office o mo punish you for that obi wo so a ya ka mentua
general litigation
yes and no litigation ni wo but no one tua a debt you owe to NHS they can punish you as part of the suitability requirement you know because say uni subaya say a kada wenima ubetimi atua
okay
and the bimum so no uko raise litigation debt no and no so no udi home office atweman so sa application bi udi akọ home office refuse we say no menti ase me judicial review and no so call na judge na bo ato agu and no e kana judge no e bo tugu ye no obebo uka e wo ho na wasa e de
atua sa sika na e wo dada
that's it and I say home office sika na omo so de ba court no yes e was say utua sa aka ni nyina
go double
inte no ne friend litigation debt
okay
what man so a wendi
nkunim
that's it wendi for inti e was say utua sa aka no that's it sana identity inti suitability no and these are the things we are omo obehu say unni yi papa or recording in such a way say when to me justify you be refuse application on the basis of suitability why
all right yo enti many lawyer Francis Bosumpem ena wa ha lawyer na wonso senior ja nsema ye kan minim say we are privy to it fa won atena krom ha for 10 years long stay and I said
20 years cry na
20 years cry
na you good doing 20 years fine
now so you good doing 20 years 20 years no my jinx kakra 20 years no then na
ube here o de be application
enti o kakra by microphone no
thank you many valentine I'm say 20 years are going to be
but what by mic no
20 years are going to be you might say some kind of punishment what they are also
okay
you know say what are sweeping at also there then you will as I said what you know be how
okay
and this anything say when you're 20 years
long stay okay
me am rano e can say the document bia media dance say no kware say what na krum ha for afi 20 years
okay
na document no mu need specific document obeka say yin kutu na fabra then any document is classified as anything that can be recorded information
all right
test cry a document as compared to the definition of document
okay
and here you can say if you are the one document kwa ehia fani nyina bra wo solicitor
okay
no be compile a check it
no be boabo ni na no
this important relevant document
okay
no I application
okay
and the document yem say it is a BT a friend utility bill and here you say you be who say bill team
and that so
the sound the name form kakra na
sound em say nana okay o de kaza
say here say you be who say
e ba mo mba say nana na voice
okay
okay o de kasa
yeah that's it the here say you be who say document na what the pan did kind team e wo so
okay
team e wo so na fe so bia what no address no so e say and so e wo so okay address no so so afi dey bi mu say ade ba go say also is very important date now date for the letter okay. These are the most important three elements we take into consideration say that document now will presenting valid
okay
and any document at all if you are to list the documents it's more fair any document at all if you don't narrate any documents way there
okay
bit me say document bi kwa ya throw say odeka and now say you invite you say betwaba all those kind of document can be from your GP several appointment
okay
what we want most is dean also
okay
and afen so no address na bia wo te no so e wo so na afa so date a ye date e wo so
okay
this an niam miensa na ye hwe more
okay
ye be collect ni na sa afi no mun as I say ultimate nya sa document and ye necessary say for instance afi mun ni na say unya ni nyina there be
okay
and the nya say ye consistency
okay
I guess what you are who your friend come how waiting to demonstrate say afi 2021 no na ha yeah me try say at least your friend and GP cry invite me for medical appointment
okay
and as a ya to aba invite me say me we and as obi cry e dan me ka e letter ba say kai e wo he low overdue
okay
these are the things and there's more another important thing say it doesn't matter say e be okwa kumu because of asetan na ni nyomade benintino initially no wentimi amfa wankasa wudin anye wo we no it doesn't matter what matter most is the honesty of it so obedi no kware say me buy nana no me use nana na mo me use amwa in a media application into my home office net say from the beginning now you don't have a problem. We have some instances, some clients be we use you more than 5, but it's accepted. What made Emma and these are the most important. If I should list all the documents, but the relevant thing is that any document that can be classified, recorded, any information on it is classified as document. Who they want me who say that document here and as a way for sometimes somebody will buy it say your friend and say 1983 Ghana must go. No that bag you know. A bit me the back boo. I said they say be sorted out all this and then group all the relevant ones. Now if you are collecting and they know our application amount. And I'm say I make can so train say what the here 20 years and you know set a requirement ni na no lawyers ni ye to ho na you just say apply man with you na that's it. And that's the other aspect regarding to the 20 years me the account in terms of the documentation needed. And I think so e hu be here so say first entry no o ba no passport no o the ba no say wu because we check we say o ba you entry your fair na currents na yes stamp so and you who date ya wo the buy and I date ya want me your fair and you me quality so na they calculate from there so won't you one no for and gaza me ba 20 years ayira we say sometimes it me yira based on probably if you feel ready because one we illegal was system overstay and conviction and take it home office and quite me yira wo de and you know what to make us okay na me wo nemu ayira they also say ampa owo na ayira that certify the whole thing. The subsequent ones are the relevant documents obechire say ampa so you meet 20 years there's nothing should say they can't grant your leave. You know, no so send a lawyer France can also 2.5. Okay. 2.5 say in my petition to 2.5 I complete them out be now before memma wa kunya media mo ama na friend them say lawyer Francis initial we no intro no or can be for the waiting time no whereby they say one standing the time limit no
24 weeks
I know your inland so year application wa hanuma no first na 6 months they say a call 11 months into say we outsider na a spousal visa no nanka entry clearance no nanka 12 weeks and a 24 weeks you know and a visitors visa na 3 weeks a 6 weeks why but enye bibi e ba be permanent because according to them no almost because of the yes yeah into nyoma timisisa at any time and na chine ko ebi o metima ka say o able to sort that backlog applications into reverse it back to our normal waiting time. Why?
Until not just a honomono and not maybe a futu kakrama adofonom. Says saying we are not in good terms in terms of the time we've in. One cause I want to me a specific said this time. Even though no one my as I said 11 months, but they are not certain.
All right.
And in near can say Udi Ubeshi Sikeni say Sikenti maintain for one. But more than I say we are couldn't so far. One my in country your friend service, which means super priority one. Okay. Which means that you top up £800. £800 no emu yedru. Now so yes as compared to asunya ubenya ewa because some of the employers are very rude to a extent that they seem not to understand the law. So 1 year obey control letter na psychological aspect of it. That is another important. Stress obey to so for brother way in your mama. Even though by your home now we write section 3C, which protects you whilst your application is still pending. Still do overlook at it. You put psychological stress. Until I 2 1 for Sebomodia. Sebobo now the 8 and out to 800 we know I just about 3 to 5 days. No what the amount no nya wo we
say. And as papa nana eletin kan yes am ko edim na yen to adwede no so yen fa call here so. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon pa no ane.
Me pacho your friend Obapa
yen ti lawyer wa.
Yeah, lawyer me pacho. Me auntie Obapa over 20 years ni. Na onya problem binti no otu no wantimi amfa hwe na sabio wantimi entrank kan yehwe na amasese ya kra no ni GP kra no obi din edina animu ko ye na ni date of birth e ko sesa ye ti say GP kra woni bi inti ni person matie diam ai lawyer other lawyer no kan ye no matie but ni person hwe ni ho voting ai kra no first no obi say bibia ni ho sa inti say no yen starting fi him before say ba be hu no yen starting fi him and sana yet nya about say bia also nya passport and say date of birth because say no date of birth no akoye 2 ni GP no almost say 2 nti no mu hu otimi the right otimi prove right one there omo be hwe no but ne sister na odi nanim na oye sa ne man no ono to afiri mu e wo Ghana nti say no otisumu
yo Obapa de etie ni say ne passport o di be rem no mo benya na
mi facho de bi ayira
nti de na che say oba krom ha dasei
eno ne asam no
yes oba ye no wanya bibia ne din ekoda so
na voting kra na ID kra no owo bi
aha inti ebetimi
a start me when I NHS I card and so
no
me pacho you
inti anu kra no betimi am ye dey start here free ho but
okay
ena ade ba kwa home office ye o mo pene say ye free bibi mandatory document and saying and say we say o passport no show ni identity inti so person start this application why we say okoye Ghana passport why
me pacho you but obetimi ani kroma na say
ade obetimi aye wa ha say
okay
obetimi ama abehu lawyer aye affidavit to support say the passport ayira no e Ghana ni ama Ghana for be ni pambie nu be witness say ayampa o Ghana ni so when the birth certificate
say eba say GP for no can say na you know aye double date of birth na aye double no o me ye be the brain no but say no omo patre say yen fam onu famra na o me yomu hu say dey right no aso no o che say o ntimi hu say eno na ye no kro say nya no kro ni sabi o anko school ntino say den kakra
enya den onfa nko ne birth cert de ode ye wo so no onfa nko GP no nko ka njom say we ni the official say correct man why ne birth no yetimi anya information a free GP for her ne other friends ne na say for ekwan a ye be gina so de agi nyoma no chese watena 20 years ne de obehu lawyer ye wo sa kwan no ho why
me pacho you lawyer nyaminsha
yo bye bye
all right inti lawyer Francis Bosumpem na otinin kan number no 0794677239 no lawyer Francis the number and Wise Smart Solicitors landline also 0208-016-5384 what means so afraid was 07908443338 07908443338 na onso so odia wono na yetumeti odi la share the eligibility
yo
the requirements no
yeah I think say last week honey you do eligibility requirement no yeah say nyoma was say would prove say why and I say o qualify for settlement on the basis of either a partner or a parent. Normally na home office the motion say a best start here free a crime bell so now the back room ha into be or entry clearance or permission granted as a partner or a parent under Appendix FM because once I say Appendix FM na ye kase ni nyina na fe ni achichim yes into omo best start free honomo say okay ye the mouth as entry clearance and now say oba ha no na ye started the mouth 2.5 na te no ne one thing because normally they look at that one as a beginning.
Okay.
Now a biomo so no o ma check say e bia a private router and no so no now you use paragraph 276 ADE and now say paragraph 276 BE2 no before 20th of June 2022 because at that time nani nyina bom under the family life
private
no
life ni ade
na but say o ma chem private life no ma chem and a family life no ma chem the family life no consists of partner and parents and a private life no private life a we dey atena kroma and no e wo ho into all these things we make it under them these are the things almost share and ani nyina no mo sure they make sure say ye ne ma 2.5 na ye de ma wo kroma and I come 4 times we do 10 years I was say your mouth settlement into these are the things but before then no record show say omo no de ma wa 2.5 ni wo ho 2.5 ni wo ho 2.5 ni wo ho 2.5 ni wo ho
4 times
that's it and sana omo de amount settlement why
all right
yo
anti also awutie no
but I know there are a biom accommodation I know your continuous residence for 2.5 no sir 4 times but I was say umiti be a friend of English language
B1 no
yes level B1 otherwise I was say wunya exemption exemption is saying sa kola wo mu na less than 18 one yes English language you know
okay
and a biom so no less than 18 and na se penmu wom no we 65 and above and also one English language you know and obi wom no or mental disability and also wo honuma and also no one English language you know? Yes but mental disability na we say we J consultant report men ka say ko GP report because me the entire may stress or no GP is different from consultant because ya nhwe ye no cause you makoji GP letter near there be
yes and
home office engine too it has to be consultant because consultant no be assess and sana with this letter na
okay
and a biom so no I was say we life and knowledge of life in UK and also one of the beta I was say we in this case no and also say UK amamre in history nyoma akoso wo UK nyina so okosua upe book na say oko online no akoye na wo book for exams no why sa test no uko YouTuber samples as bebre templates wo YouTuber obetumi study na udi akoye exams no and a computer kakra wo mu a obi wo ha osuro computer mouse me share YouTube video bi akola bi a ye che no how to use mouse osuro say or for say mouse ne be che no osuro we enti no any dey yes in social no and no ni screen, computer screen, and the mouse.
Okay.
Inti maka English language and maka knowledge of life in UK. And I was say we show relationship. So we yeah under partnership, under partner. Now say we yeah under parenter. Nipa na wujina ne so no. We no intent to say
sole responsibility no.
Sole responsibility wo ho. And yeah, and I also our direct access. Obi wo ha, maame ne wo ha oni akola neti. Papa ne wo ha, enye oni akola neti. But Osha, yes, but Osha akola no in the sense our direct access to
akola no.
Yes.
Okay.
Bibia nsi the kwan say ontimi nko akola no ho. And only direct access. It doesn't mean say only say and I say more shared parental responsibility of the child.
Okay.
And also and I say we a stepfather to the child, a stepmother to the child. That's it. In the applications need to depend or be a situation or any bit me and the say in terms of the relationship. In the Usha English language, knowledge of life in UK, relationship wise, and a dear we have ma akolano, so ujina akolane swa. Partner no one no genuine and subsisting relationship under the partner route no all these things no almost share and no say what go throughout 10 years no and sana etimi amount indefinite and I say settlement why
a long journey
a long journey but long definitely we be do her.
All right lawyer Francis Bosompim and na me no wa he unso betumi afre was 079 084433 38 and 0208 123 6209 tiano enkomo ayedi efa 10-year route no kwa obefa so a enyama nkitinkiti bi obehyiehie ni na so be meet that requirement no na wetumi enso make his application no ni na agina lawyer so bi won so se ni bibia ayira oba krom ha oni bibia eno na lawyer actually say say enya chance dubi.
Yes.
Baku bi mienu bi.
Yeah.
Na yetumi the application and they started from there. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, but one here.
Yeah, wonderful. Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. What I can say?
I got a family Kweku, Mr. Watford.
Okay, Kweku, Watford one. Okay, yentio, no Watford for.
Yeah, that lawyers put your encouragement in it. Addition, you free program.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it, Kweku.
Yeah, lawyer, Edamasipa. Now, me how you say? Esa ensane mano. Me meaning krata. Na nya obabi a wonyam sisi na opesenka me bi me to akola no senenka ojema me. Na aye mi ho adwena me kunu de me to aso na me nya na se me nyete. Akola na oba na nyam. So
Kwakwe. Show Tio some questions be her a better say obe follow your number now because ube catch him say or say for me din too so obi tinchen anya mama ncho ade ba ko say radio ye we nya no menye wadwin say obi ote Ghana kasa pe no woti kwa kuma ncho ade ya ye face as a lawyers no home office to me bopa say obi nche da ntie non translate mano inti say wo ka wasem we na nipa ne kwati o say hey na Ghana for radio say na ya moye inti misro you ma bi yen kan wo radio so
radio wo ko no raw dodo
why e better say wo be family number na ye be kan wasem a ya ka wasem dan say because advice we dey make us mema wa na meboa why
mate
in fano manum why
mate na da
the lawyer no ma betudwa
okay na da ya mo fanto na yem
so ya da papa Kweku
fa to ho man sesi na
Kweku no man 079
na chiro ma men chiro
chiro to ho na we are no afren 079
079
4677 2439
me da se pa me da me ko so na me program
okay that's it Kweku nsem so no we say haye kwa ho anti Kweku nti ebi next time nya bi wo haye na yenim na wa hweniye nti lawyer Francis Bosopim ena ene no why me nananso wa ha ono nso ye lawyer baako a ono nso fi Smart Solicitors onso di nkomo kakra efa the 20-year route no senia o che se wo on krata nyama nkitikiti wo de ni na beba pepe
obisi obese ohun animo nti next time we say connect
next time no na
ono so aba
yeah we be wa but me kwa be ni na be continue next time na
na amanfo si on person mo hwe anim
why amanfo person hwe na anim di okay meba
no we dey enyu say next time oh okay
maybe say no problem.
Next time. Yeah, I'll fix it.
I'll fix it. No problem. Lawyer, you share the final two. The Home Office decision will you receive from maybe a decision will be received from Home Office. And no.
Send it here.
Send it here. Yeah.
Yo, the attorney say you share procedure no. So what call sa route ni so sa 4 times 2.5 4 times
okay
the ya etie ni say we next stage ni be settlement inti sa settlement no na ye ba be share procedure send the siko
okay
yes application way online inti yes application uko hu lawyer na say wa fu so betumi aya na wa share unioma wa answer online questions no na say paper one wa answer ti wa answer we are no wa submission
okay
so application we ye application a untua IHS ma mean subium
IHS no
immigration health surcharge no untua say wo call for settlement
okay
into obi wa ha lawyer adena me young mama untua IHS there be Inti who yes application we are the only thing I will betua any Home Office fee and only a 2,404 pounds
2,404
pounds yes ebi wom but there are a tier say so when meet all the requirement both suitability eligibility requirement the ya eba ne say Home Office betro waka cho say yen to me ma settlement no but ye be sa ma another 2.5 open so ana
no me bisa
yes so waka say open so o mo say ene betua IHS na sa 2,404 no ahyegu wetua no omo refund ma there be akem
bad debt
inti ye careful about say obeka wa say mache lawyer no be hu say am pass will qualify for settlement na say
lawyer say we can question
yes
okay
but no na say me say because one nya ni sa na okotua say sika no on say sika na bi wom 2,400 M4 na eche yaka chen say on sam betua IHS obeka say na lawyer uni madwuma wo ye
okay
inti ye careful say obeka wa semache lawyer and sana we put in that application
okay
yes sir obetu sika egu yo inti utua sa application no na eko Home Office I don't know so far I think say almost still no omo be ma super priority who person call for it because ya na it depend who your payment na e ba say open super priority and now say open standard inti who now be taking super priority no extra 800 ba be count sa 2,404
another extra be count
yes so open in them
inti 800
yes
I won't train
the don't train 11 months no inti e was say wo betua sa sika no
okay
inti wo tua na ekọ na o book for biometric enrollment no unya appointment akobo nsa no na before be say obeko no lawyer be upload documents and now be upload document no
okay
inti by the time aba akobo nsa na document no order da ukwa bibia omuhwe ma o kobo nsa no na decision time na start here free honomo for the next 5 working days for you to get a decision say o call for super priority na and now say o call for 11 standard one now o be train for 11 months.
So you meet the suitability and eligibility.
That's it. The two you have to. Inti no o qualifier ye be ma decision no na ubusa no decision ni ye say we say ye this settlement amount and now indefinite leave to remain amount and yes sir na meet suitability requirement na we say oba betua IHS no ye start edo to 2.5 bio
IHS no threshold bi o
threshold in said then a standard regulation e wo ma e was say because say who qualify for indefinite now and no they won't try IHS.
Okay.
But won't qualify because say won't qualify due to suitability requirement in it, you know. You saw the was to another 2.5.
Okay.
They're expecting you to come and pay the IHS because definitely Uber use health facilities Chroma no. Why?
All right.
Yo.
And the lawyer Francis Bosumpim and why and Nana and Soha. Next week, Nana, ebe ma ono so about landlight, and that you obesray, but people still want to see him live on Facebook. Unfortunately, the setup na and then it does not
capture Nana, but next week,
hopefully, everything will be done.
Nana bebaso,
because Nana Nikasa no more there. You kwapim wom. How you kwapim no? Aha, you don't patron sa. They are queen. We am for call. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Patron here.
Patron, Mark there.
Yeah, one many lawyer wa. Then obisa lawyer.
No, 20-year rule, no. A 20-year rule, no, no. Now, say standard near 11 months. But other lawyer, no, can be say 11 months, no. It could be more. Did I get it right?
No, lawyer,
it could be more because lawyer Bia and Casa. Yeah, Nanaka and say decision time. Me answer say so. Decision time. No say one yes super priority. Now call the standard one. Home office am I nyanti as say e be take 11 months. Me ba cho ti dey me kan no.
Me pa cho I Matthias here.
So we call for super priority there within 5 working days, you know. On sabeka decision. Until you buy a horse as a lawyer, you recommend say call for super priority, no. And super priority, no, at times we are a ma until also we try a bus system ne so. Say option of standard or super priority.
Okay.
Yeah. Inti menya what you say, submit application, no standard one up by super priority ni inti mark for that. There be train for another day, because the reason why and say I think say almost what the number of treatments and I say where umbe share application mu a day. Inti almost say who make application na super priority ni ba that means say available ubetumi a book for that.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. No difference no standard super priority. It is standard no decision be 11 months within 11 months. And a super priority no be 5 working days.
Lawyer Pacho, standard no. The price here.
Yo, standard say wo ye family application at the moment 1,048.
Okay.
Now what we are IHS for 2.5 we are IHS year be 624 in the times 2.5 no e be 1,560
for one person.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
If you look at 1,560 boom 1,048 boom for one person. To ukuta nipa mienu miensa times 2 or 3 ubenya.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. And so the super priority we can't one it's going
and also another issue.
Okay.
The home office with this papa.
As a single person, one person, no, we a 20-year application now. It's 1,000 and what?
As a single person, 20-year application now. First, you bet your IHS 1,560. Now application fee 1,048. So we call for super priority now. Ubetia 1,048. Say call for super priority now additional 800.
Okay, 1,848.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much for the information.
And NHS and so Kasaka 1,560.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now, medic accounts a bus there, so Ocobons and so biometric no 135.
No, but no, you can get away with it. Free one, yeah.
We are a free one sometimes.
You know, okay with it.
But I now, me person be some lawyer say, IHS now is it compulsory?
Or a any settlement was a utia for IHS for using the government facilities NHS side. Why?
Okay.
Until say when you're indefinite, you know, and I say we are British, you know, and I say what settle Okroma, no. Or will leave a year limited ubetia for IHS, no. Why?
Yo.
Thank
you. Bye.
Okay. And Jabema Musuna, lawyer Francis Akojina Home, so Kojina Home. I Juma. All this years, I had one bombarding pa, I had fatigue.
And actually, Nana be take you over. So don't worry. The next 2-3 months, no, be take you over.
Okay, just say next 2-3.
You grooming, you share how things go.
Good.
No, say or a public speaker.
Or rapport, no.
Or a public speaker. The only thing is the law will add to it. Then that's it.
No, bilinguist,
Oye, nana ye elder. Okay. Sorry, by Pentecost.
Oh, okay.
Pentecost. Omo ebia omo name no. Very soon or the background you better. So no I start to say oba. Say nyoma wa go through I will do this stage, you know. Oba mo bi ate. Inti as time goes on, no. They say nana omo shi we nim no mpese omo she. Definitely ebeba so. Why? Yo, DJ Valentine that say and so what so ye mu ama ye di program na ba wie ye. Nana obi bi ka na ansa na ma bia.
Nana can you be na ye ko. Then I can for 20 years I will do journey and matters arising.
Oh, I'm say ni nyina na menu apanyi di kan aka no na emo no ya me kan ehye wo nkuna ne se emra no de lawyer fo na enim enti no bibi ekere wa adwen so a emma no enye sintidua bi ma se wontimi mba lawyer no ho oba ho a ye wo kwan bebre e be fa so a yetumi etwa agege o enti no bomodi answer especially at 20 years for no sometimes I pity for them to be 20 years because there are a lot of stress in other things but mrana ma ye ho akonya etime bu amanfo ma wo nya won krata wo 20 years no say lawyer e can be eba in case of super priority na we application na standard service na aba empre ho Friday enura akura me yebi me yebi mo bi ye wie nyina ye tua IHS no ye bebetua application fee na standard na aba na me to many partners for client na for say standard na aba other say ye betwen for another 2 hours sometimes 2 hours times na aba say me so dey the Monday e ba no pa na normally ba no petututu because say no client nso ato wo ho for say 11 months now am ka godi no enso wa into obia the car to kaso 800 na to so e be super priority nso akwa ye hot okay and say pass ye anase wo ye na say open super priority na super priority ne emba na standard service na ba tobo ekodo enumre mu a mo say super priority ne e be yini na fe wa ye no ya 1 to 5 days no na je say wonsa kana ama wasunwie nso ato
okay all right
yo yeah that's it nana
lawyer Francis Busumpim and nana nso be ka ho nti hopefully next week yeah ba hu nana live
yeah
na sama wo no so nso dia atudwa
yo
the lawyer Francis be da wase
Yo, me da say DJ Valentine. Yo, etie for ne ahwe for ye da say. Say nen so mama ye de ye legal issues no e hot digital radio aba ewie. So that's a net obade e de chen ye be say hia. Ya kramo ye stress tembia ye ma ye ninda ho ye community no because emrana esisa tembia men ka say me nua bi last 2 years okoye ne de say na tie enti me feel say this time no sa na tie bibia we say we seek legal advice because boa me ka say me can this week what I've encountered obi me client bi our friend me can I don't know say we do kutu company deportation straight yeah but onua na aye ne ho manka na meboa
ya last year kan
yes we cry the different one cry onua na aye ne ho cause seeking legal advice in tema ka we nyina ama o feel say legal aid no no woni abrotre a obekọ woni omamu lawyer we tua ne ka de obebbomodi akọ no wa hwelu na ya me ya say
just normal formality
yeah nti no na me pese me ma tie for ya we say tembia no we seek legal advice especially immigration ya na hu say ebeboa why yo ya kramo why smart solicitors bye bye
no yeah that's bebre
yo
all right the young lawyer Francis ya dada se papa
Ghana for our portrait, ya say then, yenya emrenim for when aquatari wo emrenimu, poto kasemu, ya kase a lawyer for entimini no mummy for immigration in seminar and could dine one more. Why smart solicitors? Emrenimu could draw for so what's na hache, boa man saka on crata, na swedi don sua, a yomoko kra, a bunny nipa sitnemu, any ejumemun sembia, omudimu akotenipa, omre, the many pebia. Why smart solicitors?
Always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Why Smart Solicitors also deals with immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath, long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Why Smart Solicitors? For inquiries, call 02080 165 384, mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Why Smart Solicitors? For how be dying. Now be unse, ahinifuchiniye, ebidi de bie.